Hi everyone, I am back today with my November design team project for the Graphics Fairy, and as you can see I have made a Christmas journal. I was inspired by the Victorian Christmas bundle that came out a couple of weeks ago, and so this journal is kind of very Victorian in feel. And you'll see as we go through it kind of what my vision of Victorian Christmas is. And that is really lots of pattern, lots of texture, lots of sparkle, and lots of fun images. So you'll see that as we go through the flip through. For the cover, I have used one of the book cover printables from the book cover and tin types bundle, and it is this beautiful kind of burgundy red color. And I have created this cover just from chipboard, and it is 4 3/4 wide by 7 1/4 tall by about 1 3/4 for the spine, and I've just closed it with this really pretty sparkly ribbon, and then I've tucked underneath that this authentic vintage postcard. And it's quite old. You can see the King, I don't think it's King George, I think it could be King Edward stamp there. It's a 1-cent stamp. So this will be from the very early 1900s for sure. So that's just a nice addition, and I thought it looked really nice on the front, but you could certainly use it throughout the journal as well. So let me show you what I have created here. So for the inside front cover, this is from the pattern paper collection, and I've just printed it on vellum and layered it over some coffee dyed paper just to add a little bit of a different texture. And then I've printed one of the receipts for one of the bundles as well, just on some vellum, and that adds just, again, a nice little texture. So there's lots of coffee dye paper throughout, and I've used some of my vintage papers as well and some of my vintage ephemera, and I've added that to a lot of the Graphics Fairy images. So what I've done, I've created a couple of these kind of Victorian look decorations, these rosettes, and they were really easy to do. I just cut some coffee dye paper with a pair of pinking shears, folded it up accordion style, and then I fanned it out and just adhered it together, and then I have added one of the little angel images from one of the Graphics Fairy bundles. And you can see throughout I've used lots of stickles and lots of glitter to really kind of add to that Victorian look. Now, I don't know if you can see the sparkle, but that's all kind of sparkled up. I've used a few Tim Holtz die cuts here, and a vintage French ephemera piece. So lots of room for journaling in this. I've added one of the printables here, that really pretty Victorian postcard, and then this is just some French ephemera that I have. And in the pocket, you can see I've just added a coffee dyed doily and a little bit of gold trim that I have, and some seam binding, a vintage paper. These are printables, this music paper you can see on the back here. That's some music writing paper that's from the one of the printable kits. And this is an old Christmas card that my very sweet friend Janine sent to me. I think that's a really nice piece to add. And then again, another very old stamp. This is from 1943, so that is King George. And the other part of that really great kind of onion skin paper. Another pocket here with a few printables from the Victorian Christmas kit. Girl image. And then I've just downsized that music writing paper to make a journaling card, and then I've just added a little bit of lace to the top. I've done a little bit of stamping here, just a fold out. And this is just an open pocket. That's the other side of that vellum piece from the front. And a lace pocket here with a bit of trim, and this really cute image of this little boy or little girl, I guess, with her Christmas tree. And I've just added a little bit of bling to the top. Some vintage music paper. I've been really inspired lately by some of the snippet rolls that I've been seeing kind of all over Instagram and YouTube. So I thought I would give it a try. And I've really added a lot of the things, textures and colors and so on that I have used throughout this journal just to tie everything together. A little bit of stickles on the flowers, a little bit of trim and some vintage papers in there, some Tim Holtz die cut, some buttons, some piano, player piano paper. So I thought it just kind of tied the theme together well. Another Graphics Fairy postcard, and then this is a journaling card that I made, and that's just some decoupaged napkin and one of my favorite stamps just on a coffee dyed index card. A little bit more stamping, another ephemera piece, that green onion skin paper. Just a little kind of collage there to make a tab. And this is an envelope, and I've just got it kind of closed with a paper clip and a Tim Holtz flash card. And it's really kind of fun. It's just got a long flap on it. I thought it was interesting. And another Christmas image here and a little bit of trim at the top. So this has 5 signatures, and then I've got a big pocket at the back, which I'll show you as well. So there's lots of room in here for journaling, for keeping you know, document of your Christmases. Some really pretty gathered trim there. I've got a vintage train ticket there and another postcard and a vintage envelope. Another Graphics Fairy image there with some doily and a little bit of trim. And this is actually open. Let me show you. I haven't got anything in it, but you could use that as a little pocket. I thought it was just really pretty trim to add to the bottom of the page. Another Graphics Fairy image that I've printed on vellum. Just some craft paper. I've made this bag using some Tim Holtz tissue paper and added a little bit of velvet trim there, and then I've made this tag to go in. A little bit of stickles on that flower and more stamping, some vintage ledger, little image there that I've made into a little booklet. Add some pictures there, and then it's open at the back. Another tab. And then here I've got another vintage postcard, and this one is, can't read the date, I think that's 1909, I believe. And another is upside down, but it's the same. I think that's King Edward. So that's a really pretty vintage piece as well. And I've got another one of those downsized music writing paper, and then another just pretty kind of Victorian looking image there. And another fold out. There's another of that kind of snippet roll inspired pockets that I've made. This vintage cigar band there, and just a variety of trims. And then here I've got just a really pretty envelope with a journaling card in it. Some pretty trims. Here I have clipped on a vintage French calling card, and then just another pretty journaling card. And here is another of the rosettes that I've made. I have put it into a square doily that I've made into a pocket. And then I've just used one of my favorite note stamps and that really pretty image. And then this is a printable from the Graphics Fairy, as is this. And then fruit and spice cake recipe there that I've added. Of things here. That's just a little label and just a journaling card that I've made, or journaling tag that I've made. And this is an envelope from the Graphics Fairy. It's in one of the bundles that I will list below. So they have some created tags and envelopes and so on, and journaling pages that you can use in your projects as well. Another journaling card. In this pocket I've got a couple of tags that I've made. This is one of those long pockets. I just added some pretty gold lace and that large tag. Another flip out. And I've used one of the lace frames there. I don't know if you can see. I've backed it with some acetate, and that's from the last Tim Holtz collection. It's got that really pretty snowflake pattern on it. Some vintage paper, and a couple of more tags there. Another vintage printable, vintage envelope, and lots of inserts in this. See this really pretty little angel there. I've added a few stickles to him. And that's the journal. This is the big pocket at the back, and it is expandable. And I've got more of that snippet inspired collage on it. And then on the back here, one of the Graphics Fairy printables, and I've just added a die cut there. So that is that very chunky Victorian Christmas journal. I hope you liked it, and thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you next month with my next project for the Graphics Fairy.